Third catch of the challenge. Catch 143. This is a much bigger fish. That was a fun fight. I could have sworn I was gonna lose him. Also, today is my mom's birthday. So this catch is for you, Mom. Happy birthday. I love you very much. Fourth catch of the challenge. 144th of the season. Thanks, dude. All right. Might end it here. Third catch, 5th of the challenge. 145th of the year. Thank you. Whoa. All right. There he goes. He's good.